Hey guys, I know I'm scaring you guys out with this close-up, but today I did an Avenger Endgame kind of face for you guys, and if you guys want to watch, continue watching. It's gonna be a long-ass tutorial, but this is Spider-Man, Hulk, Iron Man, and Captain America. Yum 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 yum, it's moving! Yum yum yum. Okay, a little bit too hyper. So this is my final look. I'm very excited for you guys to see it because it's actually pretty easy to paint on your face. You just have to be precise with it, but you know, look at this Captain America armor thing that isn't precise at all, but pretty proud of it. I was thinking of painting here black, but it feels like a waste of efforts because if you see it frontal, it's nothing much, so oh, very excited. So if you guys like this video, remember to give me a... And also I'll be posting this look on my Instagram, so go ahead and follow me and also like this picture and also engage with me. I reply to all your questions through DMs or any comments, so follow away! Okay, hey guys, we're gonna start off with the red paint, and I know I told you guys that it was easy, but no, it wasn't. It was tough as... Oh my god, what I was saying? It was tough as fuck. And anyways, so I have red paint on my face right now, and then after that I'm just gonna draw it like a semi-circle kind of thing, like just draw it like underline your cheeks, you know what I'm saying. And then after that I'm using this Colourpop white concealer, and I'll just like, you know, layer it on my eyes, around my eyes, and then give it like a, you know, Spider-Man white eye shape. So after that, I'm gonna use a black eyeliner. Today I'm using the Maybelline hypersharp liner, and I think that's like one of the most inky drugstore liner. And then I'm just gonna draw strokes on my face and then just like fix some Spider-Man patterns on my face. Oh yeah, and then I'm just going in with a red paint. At that point, I really didn't know what I was doing. But after that, I figured out So right now, I'm just like removing the red paint and then do it in like a Iron Man shape where he has that, you know, aeroplane wing. I don't know, eagle wing kind of shape. What am I even saying? Oh my god. And then I'm just going in with the yellow that, you know, represents Iron Man. Although Iron Man is actually more golden than yellow, but I mean, I didn't have golden, so I went in with yellow, and it's more like a, you know, prominent color, and it shows some kind of Iron Man vibes. I'm sorry, I'm really so bad at explaining this. The green paint, and then I'm doing my Hulk side. So I'm also going in with the same technique, drawing it in a semicircle shape, and then just coloring it up towards my eyebrows, and then cover my eyelids as well. And then I'm just going in with an angry eyebrow shape. And then I'm also using the Maybelline hypersharp eyeliner because I want something more bold, and I don't want to like do my eyebrows with pomade because I think that's too tedious. So I went in with my Maybelline hypersharp liner. And also because I wanted to draw some like wrinkles and like angry lines on my face, I went ahead with like drawing 3 horizontal lines on my nose bridge, as you guys can see. And then now I'm moving on to the Captain America part. I'm drawing I'm drawing his armor on my mouth and chin area. So as you guys can see, I'm drawing this red circle, and then next one is just freestyling it on my face. I'm just outlining the blue part on my lips and then using this white colourpop concealer again to and also fill in the white parts of the Captain America armor. So this is my final look and I hope you guys like it. If you guys enjoy such transformation video, remember to go subscribe and also leave a comment down below on what looks I should go for the next video. Bye!